Welcome to the Viral Academy.
Hello. Today we want to deal with the Haldex coupling on the VW Tiguan. John explains the basics to you.
Here we see the rear axle drive with the integrated Haldex coupling. This is intended to transmit the drive power to the rear axle as required. This happens via a multiple disc clutch. Several metal discs are lined up. They are compressed by means of this electro-hydraulic pressure regulator. The power from the cadre shaft is transmitted to the wheels via the slats and the differential via the drive shafts. Intelligent all-wheel electronics, which are able to measure exactly how much power is required at the rear wheels, allow the power to be transmitted continuously. Due to the infinitely variable regulation, abrasion occurs on the slats. Therefore the oil should also be changed. The service interval for this vehicle is 36 months. The following components are relevant for maintenance: the oil drain plug, the filling and control screw, and the filter behind this lid. For maintenance we need the special VA Haldex oil. A filter unit. We'll take a closer look at this one. The cover with the screws, the associated seals and the filter insert. Then very important, a new drain and filler plug with matching seals. We work here with our proven VAICO filling device. With a special adapter that we built here. With a hose that is a little bit smaller than the filling opening, so that the air can come out again when filling. Before we start work, we should read out the error memory.
We've checked the error memory. There is no error. We're about to drain the oil. The oil temperature should be between 20 and 40 degrees Celsius. For maintenance, the filler plug should first be removed. The drain plug should then be removed. Don't be irritated. The screw has a long thread. Pretty dark. So it's useful. It's not really noticeable if you don't catch the oil. Haldex gearboxes version 1 to 4 are fitted with an oil filter. This also needs to be changed. From version 5 on, no filter is installed. The test drive was very good. Now we have to check for leaks again.
Alright, let's get the car up.
That looks very good.
That's it from us on the subject of Haldex couplings. We hope the video was helpful and informative.
Did you like? Thumbs up if you have any questions or suggestions, send us a comment.